everyone, welcome back into a new video of Visual Studio tips and tricks. In today's video we are going to learn how to wrap a text with the same HTML element. Here we have a design and a list that we want to hard code in our page. We take it, copy and paste, and we simply put it here. We can locate our cursor at the beginning of each line and type the lead tag and then go back and close it. But there is a better way to do so. You simply select each text you want to wrap with your HTML element and you press Ctrl, Shift and P on your keyboard. You write wrap and then autocomplete will show you this. Wrap with abbreviation. You click it and then an input will show to you where you can type the type of HTML element you want to wrap with. In my case it is a list. And as you can see, your text is wrapped with the list element. Thank you for watching.